Run on, run off. Mastering the art of run-on sentences. Hello, English language learners. Today we're diving into a very important topic that's essential for proper English writing. Run-on sentences. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what run-on sentences are, but you'll also be able to identify and correct them in your writing. Let's get started. A run-on sentence is a common mistake in English writing where two or more independent clauses, which are essentially complete sentences, are joined without proper punctuation or conjunction. It's like trying to run a race without taking a breath. Here's an example of a run-on sentence. I love playing soccer, it is my favorite sport. In this sentence, I love playing soccer, and it is my favorite sport, are both independent clauses because they can stand alone as complete sentences. However, they are incorrectly connected without any punctuation or conjunction. There are two main types of run-on sentences. The first type is called a fused sentence, where two independent clauses are joined with no punctuation at all, like the previous example. The second type is known as a comma splice. This occurs when two independent clauses are joined with only a comma, which is insufficient. Here's an example of a comma splice. I love playing soccer, it is my favorite sport. Remember, a comma alone isn't strong enough to hold two complete thoughts together. Luckily, there are several ways to correct run-on sentences. 1. Use a period to divide the two independent clauses into two sentences. I love playing soccer. It is my favorite sport. 2. Use a comma followed by a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. I love playing soccer, and it is my favorite sport. 3. Use a semicolon when the two independent clauses are closely related in thought. I love playing soccer. It is my favorite sport. And there we have it. Run-on sentences might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master the art of identifying and correcting them in no time. Remember to always check your sentences for correct punctuation and proper use of conjunctions. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.